reason why I chose to study in UCAM is because it is a well-reputed MBA and the course structure is really good. And another thing which really got my attention is it's just like a one-year program and it had an internship, so I thought it would be a very good exposure for me.
I decided to study here at UCAM because of the high quality that it has, the reputation that it has, and because of all the opportunities of internship that I have here at UCAM.
The quality of teaching staff is really good because we have teachers from within Spain and even outside of Spain, and they have a very good experience in the modules they take. They are very expertise in the things they have, and they are really reachable. Like we can reach to them at any time. They are really supportive and help us a lot.
You can find so many international people, so many different cultures, religion. You can just connect with so many people all around the world.
And the city of Murcia, which is an average city, which is conducive for a student in Europe. It's not very expensive, and there's no traffic, and it's not very high congested like other cities in Europe.
I had a personal advisor who helped me throughout the process to get the application and to be here. So it was like so seamless, and we have a reliable person who can guide us through the things.
Not only highly qualified academic staff is working here, but also professions from different economic and business areas come here to teach. So it helps people to see how does it work outside of the academic world, and to also to do the networking, which is very important nowadays when you search for the job.